If you've ever been stuck on the side of the road at night, no signal, no tools, and cars flying past you, then you already know this cheap roadside gear isn't just useless. It's dangerous. I've seen people waste money on kits that fall apart the first time they need them. Dead flashlights, flimsy cables, missing essentials. And when it matters most, you're on your own. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through the top 5 roadside survival kits that actually hold up in real-world situations so you don't get stranded, overpay, or regret your purchase later. And real quick, if you want no BS automotive gear reviews like this, hit subscribe. I keep it honest, I test what matters, and I'll save you money. Best updated deals for all these kits are down in the description, and if you've got a specific car or situation, drop it in the comments. I'll help you choose the right setup. Alright, let's get into it. Starting at number 5, the Thrive Emergency Car Kit. Now, right out of the bag, this is one of those kits that tries to cover all the basics without overwhelming you. You've got jumper cables, a compact air compressor, a tow rope, first aid supplies, and a flashlight all packed into a soft but decently organized case. The materials aren't premium, but they're not junk either. The cables have decent gauge thickness for smaller to mid-size vehicles, and the compressor plugs straight into your 12V socket, which is convenient for quick tire top-ups. Here's where this really stands out: it's beginner-friendly. If you're someone who just wants a reliable throw-it-in-the-trunk-and-forget-it kit, this works. In real-world use, it handles the most common roadside issues without fuss. Flat tire? You're covered. Dead battery? You've got a shot. But, and this is important, the tools aren't heavy-duty, so if you're dealing with larger vehicles or harsh conditions regularly, you'll outgrow this fast. Still, for casual drivers or short trips, it's a solid safety net. Now this next one fixes a problem most people don't even realize they have. Poor organization when things go wrong. Number 4, the Cyctracar Roadside Emergency Kit. This one immediately feels more structured. The case is tougher, better compartmentalized, and everything has its place, which matters more than you think when you're stressed on the roadside. You're getting jumper cables, a reflective triangle, safety vest, tire repair tools, and a pretty decent flashlight setup. The build quality here is a step up from entry-level kits, especially with the hand tools. In real-world use, this kit is all about accessibility and visibility. That reflective gear? It's a lifesaver at night. The tools are easier to grab, easier to use, and honestly, that reduces panic when you're in a bad spot. This is ideal for commuters or anyone doing frequent highway driving. The only downside? The included air pump isn't as strong as standalone units, so it's more of a backup than a primary solution. But overall, this is a smart upgrade if you want better reliability without going full premium. Now let's step it up, because this next one starts to lean into serious preparedness. Number 3, the Everlit Survival Car Emergency Kit. This isn't just a roadside kit. It's a survival-focused setup. You've got your standard jumper cables and tools, but then it goes further: thermal blankets, a tactical flashlight, paracord, even a portable shovel in some configurations. The materials here feel rugged, more thought out, and designed for worst-case scenarios, not just quick fixes. In real-world use, this is where things get interesting. If you're doing long-distance travel, off-road driving, or even just driving through remote areas, this kit gives you that extra layer of security. It's not just about fixing your car, it's about handling the situation if help doesn't come quickly. That's what most people don't realize. The trade-off? It's bulkier, and some casual drivers might never use half the items. But if you want peace of mind on long trips, this is a serious contender. Now here's where we start getting into kits that feel like they were built by people who have actually been stranded before. Number 2, the First Secure Car Emergency Kit. This one hits a sweet spot between practicality and durability. The jumper cables are thicker, the tools feel more solid in hand, and the included gear like the air compressor, gloves, and emergency lighting are all noticeably higher quality. The bag itself is tougher too, with reinforced stitching and better portability. Here's where this really stands out in real-world reliability. You can feel the difference when you use it. The compressor inflates faster, the cables inspire more confidence, and the tools don't feel like they'll snap under pressure. This is perfect for daily drivers who want dependable gear without stepping into pro-level pricing. The only drawback? It's slightly pricier than mid-range kits, but honestly, you're paying for gear that won't fail when you need it. And now number 1. This is the one I recommend when people ask, what should I buy and never worry again? The Swiss Safe 2-in-1 Car Emergency Kit. This thing is built with purpose. You're getting a combination of roadside essentials and survival-grade tools, all packed into a highly organized, durable case. High-visibility safety gear, reinforced jumper cables, a powerful flashlight, first aid supplies that are actually usable, not just filler, and smart additions like a multi-tool and emergency blanket. In real-world use, this kit just feels complete. Everything works the way it should, and it's clear the design focuses on real situations, not just ticking boxes. Whether it's a dead battery, a breakdown at night, or being stuck in a remote area, this kit covers you. It's ideal for long-distance drivers, families, and honestly, anyone who doesn't want to second-guess their gear. The only downside? It's not the cheapest option, but this is one of those cases where buying cheap can cost you way more later. So here's the bottom line. If you're on a tight budget and just need the basics, the Thrive kit will get the job done. For better organization and safer roadside handling, the Cyctra kit is a smart step up. If you're traveling long distances or want survival-level preparedness, Everlit is the way to go. For everyday reliability with stronger components, First Secure hits that perfect balance. And if you want the most complete, dependable setup with no compromises, Swiss Safe takes the top spot. Choosing the right kit isn't just about convenience, it's about safety, time, and avoiding situations that can go bad fast. Check the description for the best updated deals on all these kits, subscribe if you want more real-world automotive reviews like this, and drop your car or situation in the comments. I'll help you pick the right gear. At the end of the day, you now know more than 90% of drivers out there. So don't guess, choose smart, stay prepared, and drive with confidence. Top 5 roadside survival gear for long trips.